Getting some work done. Luke's got the junkyard here. It's not junk. Gonna make it good. Getting ready to put the main hoop in here, hopefully. Marking the hole locations for the main hoop. Well, after all my testing, I think I found the color. So these are all gloss, normal kind of base coats, and then I finally tried a metallic. And in my opinion, it just looks so much better, hides imperfections, looks classier, everything. So you pretty happy with this thing so far, Luke?
Oh yeah. Are these cool positions, man?
Huh?
Are these just cool positions? Bracket right here, and I'm like sitting on basically.
Oh yeah,
Oh,
sorry, I
God.
thought about taking that one out.
It's been the biggest cut this entire time. There's a piece of cardboard on the floor.
Yeah.
I'll grab that.
Oh yeah, I was wondering how you were trying to protect the ceiling a little bit.
Imagine me trying to do this shit with that foot pedal. Woo!
Yeah, you're in some pretty tricky spots, huh?
Yeah, where did I put that rod?
Right between your feet, it looks like.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I see.
Nice.
Oh yeah.